Alright guys, here's the Bugatti that I built the other day. Opening door, opening hood, and a key here. And if you take the key here and insert it in the rear wing, you should be able to adjust it like this. One sec. You see, as I turn the key, the spoiler goes up. Also, it has a gear stick here. So forward, neutral, and reverse. It also has a paddle shifter near the front seat, near the driver's seat. This adjusts how fast the pistons spin. As you see, there's a massive 16 piston engine in the back. And there's also functional steering. And the steering wheel does work, as you see when I tilt the wheel. So yeah, this is massive, very huge. Ugh. Can lift it with one hand, but still it's massive. So yeah, this is just a short recap of what I built this weekend.